Okay, hello everyone. Jainam Shah this side. Again, we are going to start with one another workflow, which is content creation. Fine. So over here, we can do something like this that we can use a schedule trigger, which means at every morning at some particular time, let's suppose at 10 a.m. or 11 a.m., this is going to trigger on its own, and it is going to execute this workflow, right? But for time being, we are going to okay, we can click hide over here. Apart from this, we can go for a manual trigger right now, so I would be choosing this so that we can simply check whether this automation is working or not. Fine. Now there is one sheet, which is this sheet, which is content creation, right? Over here, if you're going to see over here, these are the topic names, right? So over here we can also create one automation that every weekend or every after every 7 days, this topics we are getting randomly, or we are getting according to some logic. We can use AI node over here as well. Fine. Right now we are having this many topics. All of them are having status as not done. So which of them is having status as not done? That's what we are going to fetch out of this sheet, right? So again, we are going to hit towards our workflow. Over here we are going to go for get sheets or get rows, I mean. Fine. So choose for sheets. Google Sheets we are going to choose for. Over here, if you're going to see, we are going to go for get rows. Fine. Now we are going to choose the sheet. So it is content creation sheet. Apart from this, over here the sheet, so document we are going to choose over here, and sheet would be sheet 1, as there is only one sheet. Apart from this, we are going to add filters over here, and over here we are going to select the column which is status. Why we are choosing status? Because if status is not done, then only we are going to fetch that data. Fine. So over here status should be equals to not done, right? If this is true, then only this workflow or the data, those data only we would able to get out of this sheet. Fine. Apart from this, so let's execute this once. So if you're going to see over here, all of them are not done, and that's the reason we are getting all of them. Now, let's suppose this first one is done already. So we would be getting from dog, then crocodile, and then we would be getting all this data, right? Now, I just want this dog. I don't want crocodile and all. So what we can do, we can only we can again go for add options, and we can only choose for return only first matching row. After this, click this, enable this button, and again execute this step. So you would be getting the first thing only. Fine. Now this we are going to pass to Tably. Now if you guys don't know what is Tably, Tably is over here, right? So just search for Tably. Let's yeah. So this is how it's going to look like. And over here, go for sign up. Right now I have already logged in this, so I would be going for login. Click login. Now, if you are on the free plan for 1 month, you would be getting this thing, which is research plan, right? Over here, you would be getting 1,000 credits, out of which this is for month, right? Out of which 17 credits I have already used. Fine. Over here, down, if you're going to see, these are my API keys. Apart from this, we are going to hit for documentation. If you're going to choose over here documentation, Acha, why we are doing this as well? See, if you're going to go for your N10, you would able to find simply this thing, which is Tevili. Yeah. But this API is over here, you need to install. Now I'm trying to install this, but I am not able to install this. So if there is some problem like this, you are supposed to use HTTP request only. So that's what we are going to go for. We would be going for HTTP request. Simply, there would be one another video, dedicated video for HTTP request also. I know that this is very confusing to understand, but right now it's very easy to understand. Just go for import call. Over here, if you're going to see, okay, so we have already choose. Again, go over here, choose for documentation. There would be one new tab. Go down there. Over here, if you're going to see, you would find this thing, which is curl command. Don't go for Python or JavaScript, go for curl. Copy this, and again go to your N10 and paste this over here. Now if you're going to see, all these nodes have came magically on its own. There is no need of we putting this, right? So this is the best thing. Apart from this, over here if you're going to see, this is bearer space token. Instead of token, there should be your API key over here. So copy your API key and simply paste that over there. So that's what we are going to do. Bearer space your API key. I guess this is fine to work. Now this is the JSON over here, which means if you're going to let's maximize this so you would understand what simply is going over here. See, query is who is Leo Messi, which means once we are going to click this button, we are going to once we are going to uh, run this command over here, it is going to search for who is Leo Messi, right? So query is who is Leo Messi. We after 1 minute, like after sometimes we are going to pass this dynamically also. This is the start date, like when we started. This is the end date when my subscription for this 1 month is going to get over. Then if you're going to see max results equals to 1, so which means it is only going to search for like we would be only getting one result for this is who is Leo Messi. Let's suppose I'm clicking two over here, I would be getting two results, three, three, four, four, and same way, like multiple. If I'm going to go for a multiple, like five number, I would be getting five results over here. Apart from this include image, if I'm going to choose over here true, then I would be also getting some links of the image of Leo Messi, right? So this is what it is. Again, there is no need of any of them, right? You might need this thing which is max results equals to 1 right now. You can go for 3 or something if you want more number of results. For time being, we are going only for 1. So what Tavily does, it is used as a research thing, right, for a particular topic. Like if I'm going to research on the AI itself, there might be chances that there might be not only that, it is for sure that it might give us some wrong data or some wrong answers. So that's the reason we are using Tavily over here. Fine. So this is our Tavily request. So let's execute this and we would get who is Leo Messi. So if you're going to see over here, this is the content which we needed. So this is all about Leo Messi. Fine. Also from where it has found this information is this link as well given to us. So you guys can copy, you guys can search over there as well. Now this data or this whatever text we are getting, this we are going to send to our AI node. Fine. So after this we are going to choose our AI. Okay, not Airtable, we want AI. So choose that AI agent. Fine, we are going to connect this via this node. We are going to set parameters over here. Click define below. Over here we are going to write down content equals to, and whatever content we are getting from here, simply we are going to pass over here. Fine. So this is the content. We would be asking our AI agent what it is supposed to do. So in system message, we are going to write down you are a LinkedIn post expert. Then what he is supposed to do, create a post out of content provided to you. It should be catchy. Okay, catchy and engaging engaging enough. Fine. Use emojis to express yourself. So this is what we are passing over here. Also we can say that, see, finally we just want the data out of this, or finally we just want post out of this. So we can also say also just pass the post which we can, or also just, or else we can say uh, just pass the post which we can directly post. Fine. So I guess we can use an AI to write down the system message, but I guess it will understand what we are trying to say. We would be using Gemini over here. Fine. And we would be executing this. Fine. So execute this once. Let's see what we are getting. Fine. So it has executed this, and see. Again, see here it is giving this, here's a catchy and engaging LinkedIn post for you. Oh, what, and fine. So what we can say again, just give us ready to post without saying here is a catchy and engaging LinkedIn post for you, or something. So we don't want any of this thing, right? So let execute this once more. Yeah, so see, now it is only giving us this, what, an incredible day. Today is June 24th, we celebrate the birth of, fine. So this is the what we wanted. Now this we are going to directly pass to our AI node. So we would be using, so this we are going to directly pass to our sheet. Right now I'm not going to post this on our LinkedIn, so this we are going to pass to our sheet. So we can go for update sheet, append or update sheet. Now again we are going to choose for the same sheet, which is content creation one. Sheet document, sorry, sheet, we are going to go for sheet 1. Now over here we are going to map each column automatically, column to match on. So over here we are going to choose this as topic. Now from where we would be getting topic, it would be from this only. So just pass this topic over here, which is AI as a writer. AI as a writer, yeah, correct. Status, we are going to go for done now. Then only this automation is going to work. And content, we are going to pass from the AI age, node, simply over here. We would be executing this. And if we are going to see, this node has executed successfully. If we are going to see over here, we are getting this data over here, this information over here. This we can directly post to our LinkedIn, and now this is done over here. We would be executing this once more, so that you would be getting an idea for, this dogs as well. So let's execute this. So it's searching for dog. Now it is creating one post over here, and finally it is posting on our sheet. So let's check this. Okay. Okay, why we are getting the same thing over here again? So let's check this once more. Why we are getting Leo Messi over here, or else are we? Okay, let's see our Tevli request. Also, yeah, so this is the main problem. We forgot it to change this JSON over here. Yeah, this is my mistake over here. So go for expression, then only we would be getting correct. So what we can do over here, we would be going for, this would be passed, like topic name would be passed. Let's maximize this. Over here we are going to rub this part, and we would be choosing this topic over here, which is dog, or else it's always going to search for Leo Messi only, which we don't want. Fine. So this is what we are going to do. Right now we are going to execute this workflow once more. What we can do, we can delete this. Why? Because over here, if you're going to see, topic is AI as a writer, but we are still getting Leo Messi. Same is over here also, dog is there, but still we are getting Leo Messi. So just delete this part. Fine, we would be clicking this as not done, this would be also not done, and we would be executing this twice so that you would be getting an idea for AI agent also, and for dog also. So let's see. So first we should get for AI agent, let's see. And finally it is pasting or it is appending this data over here. Let's check this once. So see, this is a very good post creation or very good content creation for our AI agent, and it is done now. Now let's click this again, so we should probably get for dog. So let's execute this once more. So it is finding information related to dog, it is passing that to AI agent, it is creating one post, and finally the data is appended. So see, ever met a dog named Dog or a cat named Kitty? So this is what we are getting. Fine. So if we are going to see, it is using a lot of emojis also over here. Fine. So I guess so. We can also execute once more so that we would get an idea for crocodile as well.